The final video to fix CapCut black screen no video preview issue. And if your edits are invisible, let me ask you, are you opening CapCut and seeing a black screen instead of your video preview? This problem usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, cache files are corrupted, or app settings conflict with your device. Sometimes mobile updates or background apps also trigger the black screen. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated reinstalls, risky file deletions, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not restore the preview. But on Rexus, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling the app blindly, we fix the exact cache, graphic settings, and device path that causes CapCut to show a black screen. This works because it restores proper rendering of previews in the app. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups once. You apply it. Video previews display normally. Editing works correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple devices, and it worked every time. That is why Rexus shares smart, stress-free solutions. If CapCut black screen no video preview is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.